Okay, so that's the first thing you notice. It tells you to type something. So after you type the thing, what did you do? Hello? Are you there, Simeon?
Sir?
What did you do after typing what it told you to type?
He said types, please press another integer.
So after doing that, what next?
Then it says sum is 204.
Okay, so what did you observe about that?
But it times it.
It does what?
Times it.
No.
Uh,
What number did you enter?
204.
No. What number did you enter? The first time it says enter a number, what did you enter?
But sir, let me type again. 10 and 9. Oh, it combine them and put 109.
Simeon, you did not run this program.
I did,
You
sir.
didn't run this program. So why didn't you observe all these things when you were running it?
Yes, sir.
This is clear observation. That's why do this thing, observe it, and what do you call it?
Sir, I can't hear
Write
you.
it down. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
I said that's why I told you to observe and write it down in your book.
Also, sir, I didn't use I just wrote my code because I had to go somewhere.
You had to do what?
No, because I had club in school.
When did you do this homework?
I did it yesterday, sir.
Yesterday.
Yes, sir. That's why I was
Okay,
texting you.
Club. You had club in
Yes,
school
sir.
yesterday.
Yes, sir.
And you have club in school also today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I will suggest, when did we have our last class? Was it not Saturday?
Yes, sir.
Why didn't you do it since Saturday?
Because you not send it on Saturday.
Okay, when did I send it?
Wait, yes, you said you sent it on Saturday.
So either you did it on Saturday or you do it on Sunday. At least you are not going. I know you may go to church or something, but at least you still have more time to take your time and do it, isn't it?
Yes, sir. So, sir.
Well, no problem. I just wanted you to observe those things. So when you are saying that it multiplies, that was not the answer I was expecting, but it's fine. Now that
Yeah,
you have
because
seen that
yes, because I forgot the numbers I kept.
Okay, so
Yes,
is that how it's supposed to be? Is it supposed to be combining or adding?
Combining.
Okay, so for the addition, it works. What happens after the addition?
Wait, sir, so I just cancelled it.
You didn't run the code to the end.
10, 5, 105. The difference is 5.
The difference, and after the difference, what else does it show?
It showed no, it's not a product. 10, 5. After difference, yes, product.
And after what happened?
After product, nothing happened.
But on your code, how many things is it supposed to show?
Sir?
How many things is it supposed to show when you looked at your code? See, let me explain something to you. When you look at your code here in Visual Studio, Are you listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're supposed to see something in the code. I usually call it executing the code in your head. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you're supposed to execute the code in your head first before you
Okay.
now try to even use the computer and execute it.
Okay, sir.
Do you know what that thing will do for you? Number
What,
one,
sir?
you will have expectations.
Yes, sir.
Are you listening to me?
Yes,
You will
sir.
have expectations. Expectations as to, okay, I expect that some will show. And not
Yes, sir.
just some that will show, but it will show the word SUM, some, and then
Yes, sir.
is that equal to
It, what do you mean equal to?
assignment operator? That's what I mean. That's the
Okay, sir.
assignment operator.
Yes, sir.
That will show on the screen. Why? Because
Yes,
those
sir.
ones are within quotation mark. Then after that, I'm expecting the sum of the two numbers that the person entered in those boxes, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, even when you look at the code, you look at where the boxes are. It says, please enter, please type in an integer. An integer is a whole number, isn't it?
Yes, sir, it is.
Good. Did you notice that the function is called a prompt function and it is on the right hand side? Remember what I told you, that assignment operator carries things from the right hand side and
Yes,
puts them
sir.
into things on the left hand side. Is that not what we said about assignment operator?
Yes, sir.
Good. So you have to study those things. That's why when I give you the homework, how many homework do I usually give? I don't give you many questions to do. The reason is this: it's not for you to do it and drop it somewhere. No, you're supposed to do it and look at it well. Ask yourself questions. Why is this thing working like this? Why is it not working the way it's supposed to work? So the sum showing on the screen, um, um, sorry, those boxes, the prompt boxes, when they take what the person has typed in from the keyboard,
Yes, sir.
those things that the person typed in from the keyboard will enter into the variable on the left hand side. Are you
Yes,
with
sir.
me?
Yes, sir.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So after that, you now go to the next one and it now starts performing the operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, what from this thing, if you look at this thing well, it's supposed to show you 4 alert boxes, but it's only showing you 3. So that should equally make you question, why is it not showing the one for division?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's try and see if we can fix this code so that it will work the way it's supposed to work. So for us to do that, we're going to use another function. All right. So
Yes,
don't worry, we'll take notes. We'll take notes on this prompt, the new function, later. So go to that line where you have prompt. Put your cursor before the P in prompt, the first P in prompt. Yes, you can put your cursor there, just in front of that P. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's see. So what I want you to type now, that's in
Yes, sir.
front of that P. Type eval, eval, eval. Eval is another function. So that means that it will have its own parenthesis. So you cannot type its own parenthesis there. Just type a parenthesis, opening parenthesis. Parenthesis,
Sir?
type opening parenthesis there.
Okay. Opening parentheses.
Yes, as in the first parenthesis that you type now.
I don't get what you mean.
Shift 9. Shift 9. Or
Yes, that's what it
yes.
is.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
go to the end and then type shift 0 after that last one. Yes.
Shift 0. Okay.
Yes.
Shift 0.
Did you see what you just did now? You put the whole of prompt inside eval. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. What do you think that will do? Can you guess?
No.
Okay. So it will take what the person typed, okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
make it a value, evaluate it. That's what it means. It will turn it into a value. Or yeah, do the same thing for the second one, the be,
Yes,
the
sir.
verb be.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you finished?
Wait. Also, so it.
Finished it
Um.
now.
Um. Um. Yes, sir. Finish it, sir. But sir, why is it red?
Why is it red?
Yes, sir.
Where is it? That
Look.
red doesn't mean anything. It's a string now. Okay, just
Okay,
ignore
sir.
it.
Yes, sir.
It's a string. Whatever is in the string will show as it is.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So remember again what the eval will do. Remember what the
Yes,
prompt
sir.
will do. The prompt will receive something from the keyboard. That's what the person typed in the keyboard, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
After the prompt receives it, it will hand it over to eval. Eval will turn it into a value or a number. And then from that, it will now be put into the variable on the left-hand side, which is either A or what?
Sir.
Either A or what? It will now
B.
be put into the variable on the left-hand side.
Sir, I can't
That's
hear
A.
you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
I said that the prompt will first take what the person typed in from the keyboard.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the prompt function. It will take what the person typed in from the keyboard and then hand it over to eval. I'm explaining how the code works now. It will hand it over to eval, okay? And then eval will now hand it over to the variable on the left-hand side.
Yes, sir.
Did you get that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Now, before you put that eval, the prompt was taking it straight from the keyboard and putting it into the variable directly.
Yes, I told, sir. Yes, I told.
And that is the reason why that plus sign. Remember, plus sign has two functions. It can either add two numbers for you or it can combine two strings for you. Do you remember?
Yes, I can remember, sir.
So when something comes in from the keyboard, if you don't change it to a number, guess what will happen?
What's that?
It will just behave like a string. And when you put a plus sign between two strings, what will it do?
If you take two strings.
If you put a plus sign between two strings, what will it do?
So what is a string? What?
You don't know what a string is? You've forgotten?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Text. So something like that, things in between quotation marks.
The things between quotation. Yes, sir, I do.
They are strings. They are strings of characters. Okay. So
sir.
when if you leave them, if you take something from the keyboard straight into the variable, it will still remain what?
So I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes, I can.
I said, if you use only the prompt function.
Yes, sir.
Take what was typed in from the keyboard, and it will only be what? A string. And when you put a string into a variable, it remains what? A string.
A string.
When you now put a plus sign between two string variables, what will happen? It will just join them together.
Okay, sir.
That is the reason why that sum, instead of it to actually add the numbers, it was just joining them together.
Okay, sir.
Somehow minus managed to work, multiplication managed to work, but division did not work. So we want everything to work. That's why we did this. So now go ahead and test your code.
Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. It goes up.
Did it work?
It goes up. Why does it not show my alert?
Why does what not show your alert?
It does not show me what I put.
It does not show you what you put. How?
But sir, can you see my screen?
Yes, so I have open it in the live server again.
Yes, I open it. It's normal.
It's
Not
not
showing me
showing
anything.
anything.
Yes, sir.
Refresh the page.
Okay. It's still not showing me anything.
All right, go back to the code. Maybe something is amiss there. Go back
Okay,
to the
sir.
code.
Okay, sir. I'm in the code, sir.
Why did you remove the... After that prompt, why did you remove the opening parenthesis? I didn't ask you to remove it. Why did you remove it?
What? Oh, okay. Oh, so. Oh, because it was purple. Wait, so.
I didn't ask you to remove it. I'm surprised that there's nothing there.
Wait.
I didn't say you should. See, I didn't say you should remove the eval. Put the eval and the prompt. I want both of them there.
Wait.
Do you
Okay,
understand?
sir.
Uh-huh.
Like that.
Yes. Then close it at the end too.
Eval. Like that, sir.
Where's the... Now do the opening parenthesis for eval now. Do the closing one for eval at the end.
There's already one here.
Okay.
Or do I put another
So
one?
it's okay. No, it's okay. No, wait. How many are there at the end?
One.
There should be two.
Okay, sir.
That's one. The one that is blue is for the first one is for the prompt. The second one is for the eval.
Okay, sir, I got it, sir.
Yeah, I didn't even know that. So you see, that's why that thing was underlining it for you.
Okay,
Try
sir.
it again now.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. It shows now.
Go ahead
20,
and test it.
20, 10. Some is 30, 10. Product 200. Yes, sir, it shows. But it still does not show the code. It
Does not show what?
does not show the quotients, the division.
Because you don't use quotes now. You are using ANS. How will you use? You use ANS. You are expecting quotes to show.
Sir?
Look at your code. Look at your code. You use ANS, so change it.
But I don't use hands.
Look at it now. Yeah, look at ANS on that side. Via ANS.
Okay, so, sir.
Not there. That's not the one I'm talking about. The one for quotient. It's quotient we're dealing with, isn't it?
Quotient is normal.
It can't be normal. You created a variable called ANS. You are now expecting alert to show what is in ANS, but you are calling quote in the
Do I
alert.
remove it?
So what do you want to do exactly?
There's ants in it. So
Change that quote to ANS if you want to see ANS there. See, what
is
I'm
it
trying
the
to say is this.
quotation?
Listen, just listen to me. Listen to me. If you want to see a variable, the content of a variable, you have to
Yes,
put
sir.
that variable, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What variable are you putting in the alert box under there? What variable is there?
The quote. So is it like that?
That's how it should be. So why did you now put ANS there, and then when you now went and put quote under? I have fixed this last one. That last one should be mod, M-O-D. var mod. If you don't put a var, it's not going to, you are not declaring it. You have to declare it.
Oh, so.
var mod, var. I didn't say
I said, I
ans.
don't mean to.
var.
It shows my quotient and remainder is 50.
Did it work as you expected it to work?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you have any questions? I want you to look at the code again and try and make sense out of it. Look at the code
Yes,
again and see if you understand everything in it. If you are asked to explain it, can you explain it? Those are the things you need to be able to do.
okay, sir. So, so, so you have the you pick any number you want. So it could be like 50, and
Mm,
then you put it with and then you type another integer, and it could be 10, and it will show 60 because you're adding it together.
mm,
And for the difference, it is subtracting both of them together, which is going to equal 40. And for the product, it's going to be 50 times by 10, which will be 500 because you're timesing it. And for the quotient, the quotient will be 5 because 50 divided by 10 it will equal 5. So the quotient will be 5. But the remainder of the answer will be 0 because there's no remainder in 50 and 10.
okay. All right. So maybe you may want to take some notes about the prompt function.
So I write it in the chat.
Today's date and take down the notes.
So I write it in the chat.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Sir, I said, can you write it in the chat?
Let me see if I can do that.
So what should I write as today's topic?
I want to talk about, you can just say flexible programs.
Sir?
I'll write it in the chat. Just wait.
Okay, sir. Are you here, sir?
Yes, I am. I'm
Okay,
still
sir.
there. I'm still typing.
Okay, sir.
Just give me a minute. I'll soon be done. Have you seen what I sent?
Okay, yes, I see it, sir.
I'm sending some more, but it's not much.
You're still sending, okay, sir.
Yes. Have you seen what I sent?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, this is long.
Is it long?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the reason why it seems a bit long is because I'm trying to explain something. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Don't worry, it's not that long per se. Just close your eyes and copy it. You'll see that it's not that much. And that I tried my best to explain, what do you call it? Explain the things that I had said in the code. It's just so that
Yes, sir.
when you read it, you will understand and it will make sense.
Yes, sir.
I hope you wrote down today's date.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you almost done?
I'm almost done with the first part.
Said? What did you say? I didn't hear you.
I said I'm almost done with the first part.
Okay. All right, go ahead. I'll wait.
I'm almost done, sir. I'm on the second
No
part.
problem. All right.
I'm done, sir.
You're done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So look at the note that you copied. Does it make sense?
Sir,
I want you to just look at it in your mind. Does it make sense? Do you understand it?
let me look at it, sir. So I don't understand it, sir. I don't understand it.
What?
I don't understand it.
Okay. I want you to read it line by line. Go ahead and read it.
If you have noticed, you will see that all our programs so far did not give the user the liability to enter their
Read it
own.
line by line. Read it line by line. So that means just read the first bit and let me see. Let's try and make sense out of it. So start from the beginning
If
and
you
be
have
slow at
noticed,
it. Don't rush it.
if you have noticed, you will see that all our programs so far did not give the user the liability to enter their own number.
Okay, let's stop there. Let me explain it. The programs that we have written so far,
Yes, sir.
did you see anyone asking you to enter an integer?
No, sir.
That is what I mean by it did not give the user the liberty to enter what they want. Liberty means freedom, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Is that not what liberty means?
Yes, sir.
So if it had given the user liberty, then you would have been seeing prompt in all our programs before now. But
Yes, sir.
from all our programs before,
Yes,
there
sir.
was no way to what do you call it? Enter the number from the user. Did you notice that?
Yes, sir. I noticed, sir.
Let me ask you, is that good? Is it good for the user not to have liberty?
No, sir.
So imagine a user who can enter anything they want,
Yes, sir.
versus a
Yes, sir.
user who he's only stuck with whatever the program gives him. Which
Yes,
one
sir.
would you choose?
The first one.
So that's why I said that. That's what I explained. I read the next line.
Yes, sir. If we wanted to see the two other numbers, we would have to go to wait, uncle, so. Um, if we wanted to see the sum of two numbers, we would have to go to our code to change it. This method is not a flexible. This method is not flexible.
Yes. Did you notice that too?
Yes,
Anytime
sir.
we wanted to change the number, we have to go to the code. Remember that time that you said that you want to try 20 and 4, or you want to try
Yes, sir.
15 and 3? You have to
Yes,
go
sir.
to the code and change it, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that's what I meant there. Is there any other thing that is left there that needs explaining?
No, sir. No, sir.
Huh?
I said no, sir. So,
Okay.
sir, so, I cannot hear me. My voice is a little bit cracked because of the cold.
I didn't hear what you said.
I said, sorry, you cannot hear him. My voice is cracked because of the cold.
Oh, okay. You have code.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No,
Sorry
like
about that.
it got because of my throat. Like it got
Okay, your
into my
truth.
throat. Yes, sir. It got
Okay.
into my throat.
What happened to your throat?
No, the like cold, like it's affecting my throat.
Okay, I understand. I
So
understand. So you have
my
a
voice,
throat.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a socket? Okay, sorry about that. Okay. 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 Let me see. All right. Okay. So you understand this code, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm. That's good. All right. So um the last bit that talks about eval and prompt, the need for eval. Did you understand it?
Sir.
The last part that talked about eval, the need for eval. Did you understand it? Look at the notes.
This function takes in a string from the keyboard, which means that we need to convert it to a value using an eval function.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
You don't understand it?
Wait, this function takes in a string from the keyboard. I don't know. What? I don't understand.
It's what I was explaining back then, that when you type in, when that prompt function, the prompt function is what makes that box to appear when your
Yes,
code
sir.
starts.
Yes, sir.
And it gives the person a place to type. Doesn't it give you a place to type?
Yes, sir.
And when you type, what you're typing from the keyboard is a string. A string
Okay.
cannot do calculations for you, cannot do mathematics for you. You need to
Yes, sir.
convert it to a value. That's why you have to convert it to a value using eval function. And
Yes,
that
sir.
eval function will now convert it to a number, which can be used for all your calculations in your code.
Okay, sir.
That's what that statement is simply saying.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you understand now?
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right. So what it also means is that anytime we do not need the eval function, we don't use it. It's not all the time that you use it. Do you
Yes,
understand?
sir. Yes, I do.
You understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
For instance, a code, let's say I gave you a question like this. Write a code that will ask the user to enter their name, their first name, and their surname. And
Should
then
I do that?
we'll print. No, don't do it now.
Okay.
Okay, do you want to do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, just listen to the question first before you rush off to go and create a new file. Okay, so the question says, write a program that will ask the user for their first name and their surname,
Yes,
eh?
sir.
and then combine two of them to say in an alert, welcome. For instance, if the person says Simeon, what's your surname?
Ajayi. No, my name is
Okay,
Ajayi Simeon Olamide.
okay, your surname is Ajayi now, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the program will say something like this: welcome, Simeon Ajayi. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So is it simple enough? Is it something that you can do now?
No, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
Now give it a try. So save this code, close this file. No, not here. It's not this one that you use. You have to do it different. You can't. Do you want to clean scatter this program? Go and
Yes, sir.
open a new file. You can copy. I can allow
What should
you
I
to
name it?
copy. Eh?
I should copy everything.
You can copy everything. Then go to the new file and edit what you need to edit. You call this file. You call it fullname.html.
Oh, I
Full
named it
name. .html.
Sir, I named it
You,
practice. Sir, I named it practice.html.
Okay, no problem. You can call
So
it
I
first
copy
name.
everything.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Copy and paste. So, sir, what should I write for the first one? Should I write what is your name?
Please type in your first name. Please type in your first name.
Yes, sir. And the second one should be please type in your full name. Full name.
Please type in your what?
Full name.
Type in your surname. Surname.
Okay, so
So let me ask you this question, even though I've already answered it. Do we need eval function for this?
yes, sir.
Why? We don't need eval function now. I've explained to you. Eval function is only when you need it for calculations. Are you doing any
Okay.
calculation?
No, sir.
You're only combining the names. So take out the eval function and don't forget to take it out with its parentheses.
Should I remove the okay, wait, no, sir.
Don't forget to remove the one at the back. Okay.
Okay, let me try it, sir. Open with live server. It says type in your first name. And then I put
We're
Simeon.
not done now. Why did you? You're not done with the code. Have you finished the code? The code said you should put an alert that will say welcome with the first name and the surname together. You've not finished that. Have you done that? You've not.
Wait, what did he say you put, sir?
The alert box should say welcome. First
Alert.
name. Yes. You can use the same alert that is there now. You don't need to type another one. You can use the same alert that is there. I said you don't need to type another one.
Well,
Okay, no problem. Go ahead and use it.
welcome
Welcome.
to
The welcome should be a quotation mark. Always remember, anything that is a string, you must put it in quotation mark. Anything that you want to look
yes,
exactly as it is, don't
yes, sir.
forget your quotation marks.
Welcome.
Uh-huh.
What I put
What do
welcome.
you think? What do you think should be next?
Welcome surname. Welcome. Wait.
You've forgotten your concatenator.
Oh, is that the addition sign?
It cannot be there. You can't put the concatenator inside the quotation mark.
Oh,
That should
yes,
be
sir,
after the
outside.
quotation. Then what is the variable that is containing the first name?
A.
Or you put the A there.
A.
Uh-huh. Then you need a space between first name and surname, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Or you put that space there. How do you think we will put a space between the first name and the surname? That means you need another concatenator. You need a
Okay, so
concatenator. You will need double quotation marks with a space in between.
wait, I still need. So can you say it again?
You need your concatenator with double
Yes, sir.
quotation marks after that and a space in between.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Is it like that, sir?
Yes. Then you need another concatenator after that, and then you can now put your B.
Wrong one. B. Okay, I test it.
Now, delete the rest of the code because you are not calculating, you are not adding anything. Put your semicolon. Delete the rest of the code.
Sir?
Remove the remaining parts. Remove the
Okay.
remaining code. var sum up to var mod.
Even go no.
Yes, you don't need all that. Careful so that you don't go and delete something that you need. Be careful.
Okay.
Or yeah, test your code.
Simeon. Wait, so wait. I need a. Okay, wait. Also, Olazava and Simeon. Okay, so it says welcome Simeon Ajayi.
Okay, well done. So at least you have been able to do it. That's good.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand? Can you go and look at that code again and look at what you did and see if you understand everything you did now? Look at it very well. It's just 3 lines of code. Do you understand it properly? Do you understand what is going on there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you see that each time you needed to concatenate or join something, you always
Yes,
had
sir.
to use your concatenator?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Add an image to this now. Let it not look blank. Remind yourself of how to add images. Go
So,
ahead
what
and add
image
an
should
image.
I put?
Anyone that you want.
Jesus.
Put any image you want. My own is just remind yourself. Is that where you want to put the image? Eh? Image is in the body of the HTML file now. You have forgotten.
Oh, it's Uncle, sir.
Please, image is not a JavaScript code. It's HTML, please.
Wait. What image should I do? Wait, how do... Hello, sir.
Yes.
Do I put save link as?
I thought we agreed that anytime you are picking an image, you should save the image.
Yes, sir.
Not the link. We're not doing anything with the link.
Also, save image as. Yes.
Yes.
Save image. Wait. I've forgotten how to do this. I have my image here.
You have forgotten how to add your image to your web page.
Yes, sir.
Please go and look at the previous code where we did it and remind yourself. I don't expect you to be forgetting whatever we do in class.
Okay, sir. I've done it. I've done it. Salsa. I've done it. Open with live server. I'll just put. Wait, oh, that's wrong go. I get it in the wrong place.
This is not the file where you're supposed to add it now. Is it
Yes,
here
sir.
that you
Yes, sir.
added?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
Image RSC. Ronaldo. Okay, test my code. Let's go. Simeon. Outside shows the picture.
Okay, well done.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right. So let's see. I think we can stop here for today. Okay. I will send you something to do before. Now we're supposed to have class tomorrow, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Tuesday and Thursday, but somehow my work schedule got a bit reversed, so I now had to go to work on Thursday. So what will happen is this: if we can't have tomorrow's class,
Yes, sir.
we'll schedule for Saturday. Okay, I'll let you know on WhatsApp. We'll schedule for Saturday. Then what will happen on Saturday is that we'll do, instead of doing 1 hour on Saturday, we'll do 1 hour with a break in between, and do another 1 hour to make up for tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, all right. Okay, so do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, all right. Try and rest well, and so that your throat can heal. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, now take care. Greet
Shalom.
yeah, shalom for me. Yes.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Bye, bye, sir.
All right. Bye bye.
Stop
Yeah.
sharing. Have a good day. Have a good day, sir.
Okay, you too.